Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, we are going to be talking about what you should do if your shop goes viral. Let's be honest, with social media nowadays, it can be incredibly easy to go viral. Now, obviously there's a whole strategy behind that and sometimes just luck, but it does happen. And when it does happen, you need to be prepared. So we're going to talk about what exactly you should be doing if your shop goes viral. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. Number one thing you should do is stop and celebrate. Of course, you should be so excited because this is going to be a crazy big milestone in your business and one that you will probably remember for years to come. So make sure to take some time to celebrate, get excited, jump up and down, scream, tell everyone you know, whatever you want to do to celebrate, because you have probably done some work to deserve this type of success. And to be honest, I'm a firm believer that when hard work meets luck is when you have that kind of success. And I think that's honestly the true story for most people who end up going viral. You know, they've been posting for a long time and their shop just really blows up one night over something simple and they have all of these new sales coming in. So take some time to celebrate because you have likely earned it, and you should be celebrating because your business has just made such a crazy big milestone. After your feelings and emotions have kind of settled a bit and you know that excitement is kind of starting to seep into, oh my gosh, I now have to fill all of these orders out. That can get a little bit overwhelming, and a lot of people kind of get stressed out in this situation because most of the time their businesses aren't built to handle this giant influx of orders. So you need to come up with a strategic plan for how you're going to get this done. This could look like hiring family members or friends on to help you get the orders done faster. Or if you're going to be fulfilling everything by yourself, you might want to even let your customers know that, hey, we had a crazy big influx of orders, so they might be a little bit delayed in arriving to you. Putting these kind of strategies in place so that one, your customers stay happy, and two, you don't go absolutely insane is going to be essential, because a lot of times you're likely not going to be able to complete this all on your own without getting super stressed out and overwhelmed. So you want to have some help and a plan and a guideline in order to help you get through this crazy time until you finally caught up with things. Tip number 3. This is probably the most important step and one that you're definitely going to want to sit down and work through as a business. And this is when it's going to feel the most real, because now that you have gone viral, you want to figure out what you need to do in order to keep that ball rolling. This is sitting down and figuring out, how did I go viral? Where did it come from? Was it a video? Did someone share it? Was it an email campaign? I mean, did Etsy show your shop in front of a bunch of different people? Like they promoted it? What happened that allowed your shop to have that influx in sales? You obviously want to try and recreate that if you possibly can. So it's a lot easier if it's a social media post. You maybe can recreate that same type of video, or you can create similar style content, or even keep the same strategy that you used to get there. So if you've been posting like 3 to 5 times a day on TikTok and then one video ended up blowing up and going viral, keep that strategy and keep using it. Because what you want to do is you don't want all these people to come in and order from you and then just go away and never come back. You want to try and keep all of these people around and returning to your business. So a lot of things can be done for this, like I mentioned, trying to recreate the scenario that allowed you to go viral, or it could even mean just including really great informational thank you notes, discounts, reaching out to customers and just thanking people for their awesome help and supporting of your business. You want to post all over social media. I am a firm believer that you want to stay in front of their eyes. And the best way that you can do that is by posting frequently and consistently and just continuing that cycle, because the more they see you, the more they're going to remember you, the more they're going to want to come back and continue buying from you. And they might even be likely to tell others that what they received was so awesome and you handled everything so well and the product is actually really amazing that they're going to want to go and share that with other people too. But coming up with a specific strategy to replicate what happened and try and make it happen again, or to even just come up with a strategy on how you're going to maintain those customers and have them return to your business. You know, encouraging things even like signing up for your email list so that you can inform them when new sales and things come along as well. Those are all things you want to keep in mind, because you don't, again, just want them to buy and then never come back. You want to keep that momentum going and you want to keep them coming back. Tip number 4. Usually with an influx in orders and going viral, you're obviously going to be making a lot more money in your business than you would on an average day. So this is a really great time to invest some of that business money into different equipment or things that are going to help your business grow. For you, it could look anything like purchasing new equipment for photos, hiring on someone to help you on your team that's paid, or even looking into someone that manages your social media or helps you come up with a strategy, or even upgrading the quality of your items or investing in more products so you can expand the number of items you have in your shop. These are all things that you should take into consideration and really figure out what's going to work best and benefit your business the most. Because this is such an uncertain thing and you're not sure if it's going to happen again, this is a great reason to go ahead and invest in those things while you have that additional money there, instead of just potentially throwing it into your own pocket. Put it back into the business and reinvest, because it's really going to allow your business to scale and grow. And if you're sticking with your strategy like we talked in the last point, then your business should still be consistent and hopefully go viral more times and continue to grow from this, instead of going viral and then going back down to your regular sales. You should be able to keep them high and continue getting those consistent sales. So you're going to likely need to have some of these upgrades, resources, tools, help in order to continue the growth of your business, instead of just letting it go up and then back down. And lastly, do not be afraid to be so proud of yourself. You have worked your butt off to get here. You deserve this, and I know that you're so excited. So find a way to make a memory of this moment and record it somewhere so that you can look back on it as inspiration when maybe your business is in a struggling spot, or when you need a little bit more motivation to keep going on a tough day in your business. This is a great way to motivate yourself and inspire yourself, and just remember that, hey, you've done this once and it can happen again. And this is what you have dreamed of. You've dreamed of your business becoming successful and growing overnight, and it happened. So keep that somewhere that you can see it. I like to keep my vision board beside my bed, but it's kind of a similar thing where you might want to keep it in your office or somewhere that you're going to see it every single day. Question of the day for you guys. Have you ever gone viral for your shop? And if so, how did you go viral? I want to know down below. And if you haven't gone viral yet, what is your strategy or your ideas for getting yourself to go viral? Because I would love to hear them. Right here on the screen, I'm going to actually link a video all about TikTok and growing your small business with TikTok. If you're interested in figuring that out, it's a great way to go viral if you haven't already, as well as an entire playlist full of other videos related to Etsy shops and tips. Down here, you're going to find 2 subscribe buttons, one to this channel here where I post every Friday, as well as my lifestyle channel where I post once a week as well. And without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.